Hey everybody, hopefully you just watched my Succotash video. Because it's a cream sauce, I had the idea of taking my biscuits fresh out of the oven, the Succotash I just finished, and I got some chorizo on sale at the store the other day, like $1 for this whole pack. So I'm gonna saute this up, brown this up, and then see me back here in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back. So here's what we have going on. I have cooked my chorizo, and I have my succotash back on the stove. Okay, I've added some liquid because I want it to be a little looser, like a gravy, and you'll see why here in a second. But let's do this. We're going to add the chorizo. Now you can add just plain old breakfast sausage if you want. You could chop up links if you want. You could do a lot of things. You could add bacon, whatever you want to add. The reason I'm doing this is it's adding some protein and flavor. And I'm not even done yet because everybody knows, if you watched my channel, that I make Cowboy candy. So with that said, I'm going to put just a little bit of Cowboy candy. It's going to add a sweetness. It's going to add some spice to the savory dish. So I'm just going to let that simmer for a minute and come together. Look at that. You want to see the consistency right now. It's kind of like vegetables in a gravy. Okay, let's let this go for a minute or two and come back, and I want to show you what's next. Welcome back, everybody. Let us get this plated up. So I have my biscuits. These came out really light and fluffy. Okay, I'm just going to break them apart a little bit, just like that. And we're going to take some of this creamy gravy-esque succotash with chorizo and Cowboy candy. Let's give this a taste. There it is, everybody. Now, I love sausage, biscuits, and gravy. This is just another iteration of it. It's a little more flavor, a little more spice, but it's things that I like. So I recommend try making the succotash. I did a cream biscuit video. Make some cream biscuits, make some Cowboy candy, and then mix it all together and see what you got. So this is just my style. This would be a fusion of foods from the 1700s, a little Southwest kick, and some Southern cooking. So we'll call it a fusion food. Adding the chorizo, or if you just want to add regular old breakfast sausage, or you want to add hamburger or bacon, just takes it up a notch. Put that Cowboy candy. I put some of the syrup in there, and you're getting that spice also. I'm going to call this a winner. So give this a try. See what you think. Let me know in the comments below. I'll put the recipe in the description. You guys all have a great day.